Okay, we got this little cuppy cup here, and it's on the mirror in the little corner mirror here thing, and I put it on the corner here, and it's a little cuppy cup. You can see the little cup comes out, so it's easy to wash. You put your toothbrush or whatever in there. You can also put it, I think we're going to put one up in the office. Just a look. It's a nice little, they sent this to us so we could show it to you, but it's just a nice little storage cup here, and it comes with this little metal frame. You can see we got like clippers and scissors and stuff in there. Comes with this little cup here, and it comes with this little frame, and you can either screw it into the wall if you want to, or it has a little adhesive thing, which of course on the mirror is what we used here. It's got this nice little frame here, and then this little cup just drops down in there, easy to put in there and out if you put things in there that you need to be able to clean it up and stuff. You know, you just put that in there, and then you can just take it out and wash it, easy peasy and stuff. If you put things in there like toothbrushes and toothpaste and things like that, super easy to clean. Just drops back into the frame, just drop it right back in there and stuff. So yeah, easy peasy, nice. And it came in a little 3-pack, so I think I'm gonna put one next to the in the office on the wall next to the desk there too. So yeah, nice.